And one more time, this is a little further down. Rice farming. In the back you can see Mount Seraya. Mount Seraya, and this is Jasri Beach. I'll go once around. And today is Saturday, the 10th of April 2021, during the times of the pandemic. This is near Jasri Beach. There's some water spinach, lots of it already harvested. And here we are, once around my dog walk. As I say, you never see that heat. It's really hot and humid, and you cannot see it on the photos, of course. And then there are so many mosquitoes. And basically, I don't know, this is a hard job, I would say. But I guess if you not know any other, it's how it is.